Jane, when I see you again, your servant am I, and will humbly remain. Just heed this plea, my love, on bended knees, my love, I pledge myself to Lady Jane. My dear Lady Anne, I've done what I can. I must take my leave, for promised I am. This play is run, my love, your time has come, my love. I pledge my troth to Lady Jane. Oh, my sweet Marie, I wait at your ease. The sands have run out for your lady and me. Wedlock is nigh, my love, her station's right, my love. Life is secure with Lady Jane. Oh, my sweet Marie, I wait at your